Today, we are here with Caribbean Heritage Television, and we had the privilege of celebrating the great project that you see before you called the Bridge Multicultural and Advocacy Project. And we have the privilege today of interviewing the individual with the vision that started this great project that has been very instrumental in bringing the community together. Tell us what inspired you to start this project, and I can just imagine how fulfilling it is to see it all coming together.
Well, you know, for many years I was an advocate for special education, child safety, keeping children safe from abuse, and I worked along these advocacy movements with various different faiths. We marched together, we protested together, we went to Albany, to Washington to work on different causes, and we realized how close and how important we all care about the same issues, all of us in the city. Whatever ethnicity, whatever religion, we all want safe schools, we all want better education for our kids, we want lower taxes, we don't want our kids brutalized and murdered on campuses, we don't want violence like in California to spread, we want peace and love. And that's why I envisioned the building of the bridge to bring people together under one roof so we can talk and share and fight for our common goals, which is to have better lives for our community and our children.
Obviously, you have accomplished a lot so far with the great team that you have. As you look forward into the future, what are some of the things that you would like to see accomplished through this great project?
Well, first of all, there's been a cycle of violence in the city. There's the issue of homelessness, which is outrage. So we're going to be addressing three main issues in the next coming months. Education, trying to get more educational programs for our kids right here at the bridge. Free, as we did tonight, free lessons, free music, free computers. Continue our programs with that. But also work together on issue of homelessness, poverty, hunger. That's what's important.
Since we're on the subject of unifying, what would you say to those who are looking on the outside that they can do to help to bridge the gap as the project is doing?
Well, we're fighting hard, and we're doing the blood drive on January 10th, and what everybody's talking about, unity, we're doing it. So we hope that we can, the work at the bridge can be duplicated around the country.
Well, we thank you for all that you have been doing with your great team, and we look forward to greater things in the future. Thank you. We thank you very much for watching. We trust that you will all aid in bringing the community together by accepting each other and looking ahead at what we can do when we unify. We thank you for watching, and this is Caribbean Heritage Television.